And we have some questions about the construction going on at PVES. So what are your plans for the construction that is happening?
Well, we're building the new gym, and then we're taking the existing gym and turning that into 3 classrooms, along with adding 4 more kindergarten classrooms off the yellow hallway.
So we'll have 9 new classrooms altogether, along with the brand new gym.
Oh, okay.
Are there going to be new teachers along with those new classrooms?
Yeah, we will be ready for 500 students. We now have a little bit over 300, so we'll be big enough for 500 students, and there will be 3 teachers at every grade level.
Wow, that's a lot of...
That's a lot of growth, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And because of that growth, we now have Mr. Roadcap, our new assistant principal, and he's going to have a new office. Part of the conference room is going to become his new office.
So where would the conference room be if that conference room was?
It will still be in the same place. It's just larger than what we need. So we're going to carve out a little spot for Mr. Roadcap's office, and then the rest of it will remain the conference room.
Okay. What's your plan in the cafeteria?
We're going to take away the stage. We were just talking about that to you a few minutes ago. The entire stage will disappear, and all of that will become just cafeteria, so we can get more kids rotating through the cafeteria at one time.
Okay, that's some good construction plans. What gave you the idea to start this construction?
Well, the fact that we have more students coming. I mean, we have a lot of students entering into the building, and we have them almost coming every day enrolling, so we need more space.
And it's getting really crowded.
What is the estimated time for the finish of the construction?
Really good question. We ask that often. As of right now, it should be 100% completed when we start the 2026-27 school year. So next year, it should be 100% complete.
Okay.
We're hoping so, at least.
Yes.
Is there any more things that you want to ask now?
No, I think that's all the information we need today.
Oh, well, thank you guys for the interview.
You're welcome.
Thank
you.
you.
for
Thank you.
asking.
You're welcome.
Hi, I'm Mr. Chipmunk, and yesterday was my best friend Cyrus's birthday, but was honestly, but I was too busy searching for a lot of nuts yesterday, and so, I'm gonna wish him a happy birthday today, and so happy birthday, Cyrus. Say happy birthday. I said say it. Say happy birthday. I said say it. Happy birthday. Now on to Grover with Jokes You'll Dig.
Hi guys, tonight it is a day.
Guys,
Don't worry about
how
that.
long did your teacher say you could be here?
But we have some jokes for you today. And let's start with the first one. Oh, building jokes. Yes, building jokes. Okay. What kind of building weighs the least?
I don't know. I said I don't know.
A lighthouse. What do you call a snake with a hard hat?
I don't know. What is it?
It is a bold constructor.
Okay, cut the camera. Cut the camera. Okay, cut the camera. I said cut the camera.